Hi everybody, welcome to day 10 of our 12 days of giveaway. Now, for day 10, we've done some really amazing things so far. We've done ceramics, we've done paintbrush holders, we've done paintbrushes, we've done paint sets, we've done travels, we've done journals. We've given away some really cool stuff. And the whole point of it is just to kind of highlight other small businesses and to say thank you to you guys for supporting us at Let's Make Art. How we're choosing the winners is we're just randomly selecting from people who've purchased from us over the last year. That's it. So it's not too late if you want to try. We have a couple more days to do this. So the December projects are looking real good if you need something to buy. But for day 10, you guys, I'm so excited about this. Because let me tell you something. You can't go and buy this. This, I didn't even know existed until some beautiful people, angels, if you will, named Lynn and Hal sent me a box. And she says, hey, my husband made me this paint board and I love painting on it. So I had him make you one. And please believe me when I tell you, my life has since been changed. I now cannot not paint on a paint board. I mean, it's the most fantastic way to paint. Let me tell you all the ways why. Well, because if you're someone who paints as much as I do, usually I'm working on multiple projects at the same time. You always paint your tape your painting down. And if you do it just on your table, then it's like stuck on your table until it's like done. And usually you want to let it dry for a bit. And so being able to do it on a board, I can just be like, okay, you dry. Now I'm going to start painting another one. Or guess what? You got to rotate it to do some line work. Rotate. You just got to adjust it because you got to move because people need to eat dinner or something and you paint at the kitchen table. All right, just move it on over. It's the best.
Also, when it's taped to that board, it's way more dramatic to throw it when you're mad.
I know, I've dented my wall. Anyways, I emailed Lynn and I asked her if it would be okay if we used one of her boards as a giveaway, and she was so good about it. She was thrilled. But so she made this knowing that one lucky llama is going to win it. And I'm just honestly so excited for you guys to have this. They're fantastic. And I just want to thank Lynn and Hal for sharing, because I had no idea. And it's really been one of those things that I have to have now when I paint. So I just want to say thank you. Okay, Michael, are you ready to pick a lucky winner?
Ready. The winner of the artboard thing is Tiffany Collins.
Tiffany, congratulations. Thank you so much for your support to Let's Make Art. You are the lucky winner of this wonderful paint board. I will say that after I received this and used it, I was just like, Lynn, these are amazing. Where can I buy more? People are asking me about it. And she's just like, well, we're not entirely interested in starting a business. I'm like, respect, I get that. So I think if I'm correct, I don't think that they're selling these right now. If that does change, I will let you guys know. But you also could try making some yourself, even if it's a scrap piece of board. But these are just so beautifully handcrafted and really well done. So anyways, Tiffany, I'm super excited that you get to get one of these. I'll reach out to you to make sure I have the correct shipping address. And we will see you guys for day 11. Bye.